Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. You know, just a splash of color on one wall can completely change the mood of a room. Today we're going to look at 5 picks from national paint companies and the technology that goes into the paint. Let's get started. Benjamin Moore is going green with their 2021 color this year, described as a blend of blue, green, and gray. Aegean teal is an intriguing midtone that creates natural harmony. I chose this Benjamin Moore paint. Natura is certified asthma allergy friendly. One of Benjamin Moore's greenest paint. I find it goes on very smooth, covers with one coat. And the best thing that I found, there's no odor. Aegean teal looks pretty good. I like it. SherwinWilliams color of the year is Urbane Bronze. Looks pretty good on this room. This earth tone has an organic appeal rooted in nature. You might want to check out SherwinWilliams Super Paint, their interior latex with sanitizing technology. This paint can kill up to 90% of bacteria on your walls for 4 years. Behr didn't pick just one color this year. They have 21 colors called 21 Color Trends. It's divided into 4 different palettes. Check out this color from Behr's Optimistic View palette, Saffron Strands. This can lift the energy in any room. One of Behr's popular paints, Behr Ultra Scuff Defense. This high-performance paint has a durable finish with scuff resistance. Glidden makes a splash this year with their color, Aqua Fiesta. Check it out. This vibrant tropical color makes any bedroom, bathroom, or kitchen feel like you're on vacation. If you're looking for a paint with low VOCs and low odor, check out Glidden's Essential Interior Paint. This paint has great coverage when you need to refresh a room. It's a durable finish, scrubbable, and washable. Pratt Lambert's Moody Green color of the year is Contemplative. Pratt Lambert has been in the paint biz since 1849, known for their flawless finishes and beautiful trending colors. And I like this green. And if you're looking for a nice paint for your trim or cabinets, check out Pratt Lambert's Aqua Enamel Waterborne interior paint. Offers super flow leveling with smooth, durable finish and low VOCs. There's 5 colors to choose from a long list of colors of the year. I hope this video will inspire you to go out and paint a room. For more painting tips like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.